Okay, guys. So today we are going to start on the final part of chapter 7. Bahagian terakhir lah bagi bab 7. Okay, sesiapa yang cakap tadi basic bab ni lemah kan? Whoever say your basic very weak in this chapter, kamu cuba refer YouTube saya. Okay, untuk form 5 bab 7 yang bahagian sebelum ni. Sebab semua tu saya dah cover dah. I already teach. So now I'm entering the last part. Bahagian sangat terakhir dalam bab 7. Yang last dah. Maksudnya hari ni kita akan habis bab 7. Okay, today we will end chapter 7. Okay, so today mainly on box plot and also on ogive. Okay, plot kotak dan ogive. Dua ni saja. Okay, alright. So first step guys. Sorry, first question. Okay, so they show you an ogive. Okay, mereka tunjuk kat kamu satu ogive. Okay, start. Okay, contoh ogive macam ni. Okay guys, so first question. Saya tanya kat kamu lah. Apa kekerapan longgokan kat sini guys? What is your cumulative frequency? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai dia? What is your cumulative frequency? Kekerapan longgokan berdasarkan ogive ni. Anyone? I want the value. Saya nak nilai dia guys. Berapa jumlah kekerapan longgokan kamu? Yes, very good. Okay guys, macam mana nak tengok how to identify your cumulative frequency? You see the highest point on your graph. Okay, lihat titik paling tinggi dalam graf kamu. Okay, dia sentuh pada 80. Okay, jadi kekerapan longgokan pasti 80. That is your cumulative frequency. Okay, and okay, so what is your median? Apa nilai median kamu guys? Can anyone tell me? Kalau sentuh 70, 70 tu bukan kekerapan longgokan. Sebab masih ada bahagian graf ni yang belum cover lagi. Okay, you still got extra part. Yes, median sama dengan 40. Betul. Okay, sebab setengah dari kekerapan longgokan. Median is always half of the cumulative frequency. Okay, so 40. So kamu akan buat macam ni kan? Kamu pergi ke sini, sentuh graf, lepas tu pergi ke bawah. Macam ni. Lepas tu baca nilai kat sini. Betul? Okay, this is the general step lah. Okay, you take the cumulative frequency 40, touch the graph, and then you read the value. Okay? Okay, how about Q3 guys? Apa nilai Q3 kamu kat kekerapan longgokan? Sekarang saya cakap. What is your third quartile? Okay, very good. The answer is 60. Correct. So this is your Q3 and then you go down. You read the value. Okay guys, on the value part, right? Over here, you don't need to worry so much. Jangan risau sangat banyak. Why guys? Sebab jawapan dia akan ada julat. There will be a range in the answer one. So don't be too worried on the value you get. As long as your graph is accurate, tepat, biasanya jawapan kamu betul lah. Tak ada satu jawapan kat sini. Akan ada julat. Okay, there'll be range one. How to determine the quartile? Depends what the question asks you. First quartile is called Q1. Median is called second quartile, Q2. Third quartile, Q3. Okay, and then yeah, only 3 quartile. Hanya 3 quartile sahaja. Okay, alright guys. So you must remember the formula. Q3 is 3/4 kali cumulative frequency, CF, ataupun kekerapan longgokan. Okay, and then Q1 equal to 1/4 times CF. Okay, saya rasa yang ni kamu belajar kat form 4, tak ada. I rasa form 5 saja kamu belajar ya. Okay, so yeah. So can anyone tell me what is your first quartile guys? Apa nilai kuartil pertama kamu berdasarkan graf? Menggunakan rumus. Anyone? First quartile guys. Kuartil pertama. Very good. 20. So, kamu ulang proses yang sama sahaja. Okay, lukis garis melintang, sentuh graf, lepas tu lukis garis menegak ke paksi X. Okay, ulang sahaja benda sama. Alright? So dari sini sebenarnya tahu guys, kamu boleh macam mana tahu Q1 lah. Rumus Q1 adalah 1/4 kali kekerapan longgokan. Yang tu boleh faham tak? Yang tu kamu kena faham. Okay, sebab Q1 merujuk kepada 25% daripada jumlah set data. Okay, Q1 actually refers to 25% of your total data, guys. Jadi, you must understand that one. Okay, that's why we have 1/4, 1/4. Sebab 1/4 kali 100% kamu dapat apa, guys? 25% kan? Okay, so this is Q1. Okay, so Q1, 25% ni kamu kena kali dengan jumlah, kekerapan longgokan. Okay, 25% times cumulative frequency. Kamu akan dapat satu nilai kekerapan. Betul? You will get a frequency value. So based on that frequency value, kamu lukis satu garis macam ni, sentuh graf. Contohlah kat sini. Lepas tu kamu pergi ke bawah untuk baca nilai yang sepadan. Okay? CF tu 80 dalam graf ni. Yes, betul. Okay, kekerapan longgokan kamu 80. Okay, selalu lihat titik tertinggi. Look at your highest point. Okay, and also CF2, yes, longgokan, Syamimi. Kekerapan dan kekerapan longgokan tak sama tau guys. You all must understand. Okay, frequency and cumulative frequency two different thing. Okay, kekerapan longgokan adalah kamu tambah. Maksudnya set kedua kamu dapat daripada tambah dengan nilai set pertama. Set ketiga kamu tambah set sebelumnya dan sampailah set yang terakhir. Okay. Manakala kekerapan adalah yang biasa sahajalah. Untuk satu set, berapa jumlah orang. Contoh macam tu. Okay. Okay, dan satu lagi perkara kamu kena pastikan ojaif kamu tu sentuh paksi X. Okay, always remember this guys. Ojaif must touch paksi X-axis. Dia tak boleh terapung. Macam ni. Salah. Kena sentuh paksi X. So, macam mana kamu boleh bagi dia sentuh paksi X, guys? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? How to let your ojaif touch the X-axis? Anyone? Kena buat apa? Apa langkah yang kamu akan ambil untuk bagi dia sentuh paksi X? Bukan? Not lower boundary. Kamu kena tambah sesuatu, guys. Tambah apa? You must add something. Anyone know? No. We're not talking about upper boundary, lower boundary here. You must add something. Start with C, guys. Mula dengan huruf C. Untuk BMK. Anyone? Tambah 0 di cumulative. Tapi macam mana kamu boleh dapat 0 tu? Tambah bahagi 2. Bukan? Guys, I share the answer. Yes, Nur Fatin dah dapat dah. Correct. You must add a class interval, guys. Kamu kena tambah satu size class. Okay, yang sama dengan kelas-kelas yang kamu ada. Data yang kamu ada. Dan kekerapan bagi kelas tu adalah kosong. Itu sebab ojaif tu dapat sentuh paksi X. Boleh faham, guys? You add a class where the frequency is 0. Then only your ojaif can touch the X-axis. Okay? And the size of the class must be the same as every single class. Okay, size class tu kena sama dengan setiap kelas yang lain yang diberi. Okay? So macam tu saja. Ojaif macam ni saja. Yang lain graf tak perlu tambah kelas biasanya. Ojaif sahaja kena tambah. Ingat. Histogram, apa satu lagi? Polygon kekerapan. Okay, histogram and frequency polygon, usually you no need to add class. Okay? But ojaif, you must add class. Okay? Alright. So now guys, from the ojaif, you can actually draw a box plot. Kamu boleh sebenarnya lukis plot kotak dari ojaif ni. Macam mana guys? Siapa boleh bagi cadangan? Kamu tahu kan macam mana plot kotak nampak? You all know the basic characteristic of box plot. Okay, so what are the information you need to know? Anyone? What are the information you need to get? Very good. Okay, minimum, maximum, median, Q1, Q3. 5 information guys. Macam saya tunjuk tadi. Okay, so maximum kamu adalah, kamu kena tahu guys, kamu lukis plot kotak tu berdasarkan paksi Y atau paksi X. Mana satu? Do you draw your ojaif based on the data on Y-axis or X-axis? Which one? Y ataupun X? Kamu plot plot kotak kamu. Anyone? Guna data yang mana? Yes. Selalu ingat guys, kena guna data pada paksi X untuk melukis plot kotak kamu. Box plot always use the X-axis. Okay? Apa formula mean? Mean untuk bab ni ke? Syamimi. Mean kamu hanya perlu ambil hasil tambah kekerapan kali dengan titik tengah. Bahagi dengan hasil bahagi dengan hasil tambah kekerapan. Okey? Itu adalah rumus dia. Bagi setiap kelas, saya maksudkan. So, kamu kena ada satu set data lah yang diberi. Baru kamu boleh kira mean. Okey? Kamu kena ingat lah guys, mean tak boleh dapat dari graf ni. Dari ogive ni, kamu tak boleh terus tengok mean. Mustahil. Okay, you cannot find the mean from this graph. Okay, jangan kamu kata jumlah 80 maksudnya mean saya 40 kan? So, saya pergi buat macam ni. Lepas tu, baca nilai kat bawah. Salah, tak boleh macam tu. Sebab 40 tu median. Median tak sama dengan mean. Kamu kena faham benda ni. Okay, median is not equal to mean guys. Common mistake. A lot of people think median is equal to mean. Wrong. Okay, median only show half of the data, 50%. But mean does not show you half of the data. Mean tidak menggambarkan 50% daripada data. Mean tu adalah macam apa nak kata average, purata. Okay, dalam BM untuk set data. Okay, alright. So sekarang kita boleh lukis plot kotak berdasarkan ogive ni. Okay, so kamu kena tandalah minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3 dan juga maximum. Okay, so kamu boleh lihat graf ni lah. Okay, so first step, make sure your x-axis scale is uniform. Pastikan paksi X kamu punya skala tu seragam. Okay, so macam mana pilih skala guys? Siapa tahu? How do I choose the scale for the x-axis? Anyone? Macam mana? Berdasarkan apa? Saya boleh pilih skala yang ni. Siapa tahu? Anyone? Bagi cadangan guys. Jangan risau. Jawapan salah tak apa. Soalan? Guys, kamu tak dengar ke? Saya kata macam mana kamu boleh tentukan skala untuk plot kotak. How do you determine the scale for the box plot? Dari paksi X. Okay, boleh? Ataupun yes, must be equal difference. Okay, so basically, it is based on your data. Mean, Q1, Q2, Q3 dan maximum. Okay, kamu kena gunakan 5 data ni untuk tentukan skala bagi plot kotak yang ni. Okay, you must determine it from this 5 set of data. Okay, just exactly yes. Each spacing must be equal. Okay, like this one, 50, and then everything also kena tambah 50. Delta tu, data tu yang mana? Kamu maksud data ke? DATA? Ataupun apa? Tak faham soalan kamu. Okay, so boleh nampak guys? So ini cara kamu lukis plot kotak. Oh, data. Data tu yang mana? Data dari sinilah. Berdasarkan graf ni. Minimum, Q1, Q3, Q2, Q3 dan maximum. Ini adalah 5 data yang kamu kena ada untuk buat plot kotak yang ni. Okay? So tengok guys, macam mana lukis plot kotak. So this is how you should draw your box plot. Okay, kat sini saya rasa textbook ada miss sesuatu. Sepatutnya kat sini kena ada satu titik juga. Okay, over here you must also include a dot guys. Must have the black dot. Okay, setiap data yang kamu plot, pastikan guna titik. Okay, you must plot the box plot using dot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dot. Okay, and then you draw the line. Kamu lukis garis. Okay, dan pastikan kamu lukis garis ni juga. Yang ni, dan yang ni. Okay? Jelas guys tentang plot kotak ni? Are you all clear? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya saya tentang plot kotak ni? Kalau tak ada, kita proceed one Okay. You still remember the code. Okay guys, biasanya saya guna code lah. Bila kamu faham, kamu type 1. Bila tak faham, kamu type 2. Macam tu saja. Okay, if you understand type 1, don't understand type 2. Means that kalau kamu type 2, kamu tanya saya soalan lah selepas tu. Okay, you can ask question. Okay, 2. Okay, N354. May I know what is your question that you want to ask? Apa soalan kamu? Yang lain dah, yang okay boleh relax. So N354. Point 2 tu kuartil pertama ke? Ahmad, yang ni ke? Adakah yang ni? Q1. Okay, urutan dia macam ni guys. Minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, maximum. Okay, this is the order. To find the mean, use which axis and how to find the mean. Okay, N354. As I say, you cannot use the graph to find mean. Kamu tak boleh guna graph untuk tentukan mean. Kenapa? Kamu tak ada kelas kat sini. Kamu tak ada sempadan bawah dan sempadan atas. You don't have your upper boundary or lower boundary. Okay? So you cannot find the midpoint. You don't have the midpoint, you cannot find mean. Because mean is the sum of frequency times midpoint divided by sum of frequency. Okay? So can I see the box plot? Okay. Okay guys, one more thing. Make sure you label your x-axis. Okay, yang ni kena tulis. Apa paksi x kamu tu mewakili? What does your x-axis represent? You must write that also. Jangan lupa yang tu. Okay? Okay, Alicia? Clear? Okay, so next one. Untuk soalan B, dia suruh nyatakan bentuk taburan data. Okay guys, so based on this box plot, can anyone tell me what is the distribution of data? I think you all know, right? Got 3 type of distribution. Ada 3 jenis taburan. Okay, pencong ke kanan, pencong ke kiri, dan juga seragam. Okay, skew to right, skew to left, or uniform. So which one is this? Apa jenis taburan data? Okay, some more. The rest, what do you all say? How to count the Q1? Intan, based on your graph. Okay, Q3 equal to 3 over 4 times 80 because 80 is our cumulative frequency. Okay, so 3 over 4 times 80 is 60. So you read on the graph. Okay, 60, and then you read the value here. Okay, kena guna pembaris lah. You must use ruler. Okay, because then only it will be accurate, the value. Alright, then you repeat the same step only for Q2 and also Q1. Okay, boleh? 2. Delhi, what question you have? Oh, nanti saya tunjuk soalan. Akan ada soalan cari mean. Kita tak sampai bahagian tu lagi. Okay, nanti saya terangkan. Okay guys, so what is the taburan? What is the distribution? Some more people. One person say uniform, skew to left. Wah, all 3 answer also got. So mana jawapan dia guys? Tak ada majority sekarang. Some more people. What do you all say? Okay. Must be confident in your answer guys. No maybe. You must be 100% sure of your answer. Okay. Yes. The correct answer is skewed to the right guys. Pencong ke kanan. Okay, untuk yang jawab selain tu, kena recap balik lah sikit. Okay, just refresh a bit on the concept. Okay, kalau nak cari satu Q1 tu ikut graph sendiri lah kan. Yes, kena ikut graph sendiri. Sebab setiap orang punya graph adalah berbeza untuk soalan macam ni. Tak ada jawapan yang fix. Yes, yes betul. Tak sepatutnya ikut skema. Okay guys, so the answer is Q to the right because, can you see guys, this one, panjang yang ni sebenarnya lebih panjang dari panjang yang ni. Okay, dia tak sama panjang. Okay, they are not equal length. Okay, so you can refer like this. So that's why I say it is Q to the right, pencong ke kanan. Okay, actually, I know why most of you say uniform. Saya tahu dah kenapa kamu semua cakap uniform. Sebab kamu nampak yang ni kan guys. Betul. Kamu nampak dia sama kan? Sama size kotak tu. Am I right? You all see that it's the same size, so you say uniform. Correct. But to confirm whether it's uniform or not, you must check the tail. Nampak ekor ni dulu. Kalau kedua-dua ni sama panjang, baru kamu boleh simpulkan dia adalah seragam. Okay, if it is not the same, means it's not uniform. Means that skew to left or skew to right. Boleh faham guys? So first one, kamu check box, tengok size kotak. Second, you check the tail, tengok ekor. Saya panggil yang ni ekor lah. Okay, I just call this as tail. Okay, boleh faham guys? One or two? Okay, very good. Okay, so this one is skewed to the right. Yes, yang ni saya rasa kamu belajar kat Form 4 Chapter 8 kan? Form 4 bab 8. Untuk yang data tak terkumpul. Yang ni, macam mana huraikan taburan data. Yes, so you use the same concept here. Exactly same concept. Okay, nothing changed. Alright? Okay, next question. Okay guys, so this one is another ogive. So you can practice again how to draw the box plot from the ogive. Okay, so for this question guys, what is your cumulative frequency? Apa kekerapan longgokan kamu? 60. Okay, very good. Yes, the answer is 60. Correct? Okay, so may I know what is your Q1? Kuartil pertama nilai dia. Are you sure? Q1. Slowly. Don't rush. Yes. Okay, the answer is 15. So 15 is somewhere around here lah. So I draw like this and then I draw down with the value. Okay, Q1. Q2 guys, what is the value on y-axis? Very good, 30. Syamimi, formula bagi Q1 adalah 1/4 kali kekerapan longgokan. Okay, ini adalah formula guys. Macam mana tahu Q1 macam ni? Okay, yes, median is 30. So kamu lukis garis macam ni, kat 30. Okay, sentuh graf, lepas tu tarik bawah. Okay, Q3, what is your value? Okay, very good, 45. Means you all understand. Okay, so then again same concept, tarik bawah. Okay, over here it's not accurate, dia tak tepat. So you must try on your textbook itself. Kamu lukis kat buku teks, kamu akan dapat nilai tepat. Okay. Okay, yes. So now you can plot the box plot already. Kamu boleh lukis. Okay, so what is your minimum value guys? Apa nilai minimum bagi plot kotak? Macam mana nak tahu KL? Oh, kamu lihat titik paling tinggi. Dia sentuh pada 60. Okay, it touched at 60, the highest point. Delhi, what do you mean? How want to know? Which one? Apa formula nak cari Q2? Q2 tu adalah median, setengah kali kekerapan longgokan. Half times cumulative frequency. 149.5, yes, very good. Okay, the minimum value is 149.5. Q1, oh, okay. Okay guys, I think I know already. Kamu semua tak mau hafal rumus kan? Betul? You all don't want to memorize the formula. Because I tell the formula, then you ask sekali lagi, macam mana, macam tu. Okay, I explain to you. Okay, I like you all. Saya suka sebab kamu semua nak tahu macam mana. Okay guys, first one. When you talk about kuartil, right? Okay, kuartil tu maksud apa guys? Qua. Q-U-A-R. Yang ni merujuk nombor apa? Yes, it comes from the word quarter guys. Quarter means 4. Am I right? 1/4. Quarter. Okay, or 4 lah. Kita ambil nombor 4. Okay, so 4 means what is our total data guys? Percentage. Peratusan data keseluruhan. Berapa peratus? Common sense. Sangat logik. Dalam sesuatu set data, jumlah peratusan data kena berapa? Selalunya. What is our total? Yes, it's always 100% guys. Okay, so guys, 4 quarter. If I want to divide each quarter equally, saya nak bagikan setiap sukuan tu dengan tepat. Yes, so you will get 100/4. which is 25. So guys, 25 is actually 25%. 25% daripada data. So 25% saya boleh permudahkan jadi 1/4. So ini dipanggil Q1. Sekarang boleh faham tak? Do you all understand now? How is Q1 equal to 1/4 times cumulative frequency? Okay? So kamu ulanglah konsep sama untuk Q2, Q3. Okay, very good. Okay guys, I ask you an extra question guys. Do we have Q4? Adakah kita ada kuartil keempat? Yes or no? What do you all think?
No.
Okay, actually got guys. Kuartil keempat, you know is what? Is the maximum value guys. Itu adalah kuartil yang keempat. Max value. Because kuartil keempat maksudnya 4/4 ataupun 100%. So Q4, if you don't want to say maximum value, kamu boleh guna perkataan Q4 lah untuk menggambarkan maximum. Tapi jangan tulis dalam exam ah. Don't write this in the exam. It's just understanding only for you. Pemahaman sahaja. Okay? So kamu anggap maximum tu maximum lah. Jangan tukar perkataan. Okay? Okay, one or two guys so far. Are you okay with this concept? Okay, next one. Okay, so we talk about this one. Okay, so this is the box plot for this question. Okay, so I think over here again they miss out one dot. Okay, kamu kena letak titik tau kat sini guys. Jangan lupa. Okay, so any question about your box plot? Ada apa-apa soalan? All clear on your box plot? Boleh lukis kalau keluar dalam exam. Okay, should be no problem lah. Okay, no dot. Of course, if no dot, you won't get the mark. Kamu takkan dapat markah kalau tak ada titik. Okay. But of course, it depends on the examiner also lah, and depend on the mark scheme. Dia berdasarkan skema pemakan. Kalau skema pemakan tahun tu strict, dia akan bagi markah untuk titik juga. Okay, kalau nasib kamu dia tak sangat strict, then you dapat markah lah. Save put dot middle lah. Yes, just put, letak saja. Yes, sebenarnya kena ada 5. Okay, sebab kamu plot 5 data kan guys. Dot yang tengah-tengah tu median. Betul? Is your Q2. So definitely secara logik kamu kena plot lah. Sebab dia adalah sesuatu macam kamu plot graph biasa. Kamu akan plot semua point kan yang diberi. Kamu takkan skip satu point. Itu konsep dia kat sini. You have to plot every single point. Like how you draw a normal graph. Okay? Alright. So what type of distribution is this guys? Can you all tell me? Apa jenis taburan ni? Berdasarkan graph. Okay, so kita uji sekali lagi. What type of distribution? Okay, some more people, yang lain, cuba. When you try, only you know. Bila kamu cuba, kamu tahu. Okay, very good. The answer is pencong ke kiri. Wow, semua betul. Sangat bagus. Okay, left skewed. Okay, so why left skewed? Okay, kamu nampak yang ni lah. Lebih panjang, yang ni lebih pendek. Okay, so pencong ke kiri. Okay, so we complete the box plot tadi. Okay, for just now, people ask the median. Okay, this is the one. Okay, sorry, mean. Macam mana cari mean? Okay, so ini adalah contoh dia. Okay, guys. So you will be given a set of data. Something like this, guys. Okay, they like to ask this question. Suka tanya sangat. Okay, mereka akan cakap, tentukan yang mana lebih konsisten, guys. Which is more consistent? Okay, guys, can I ask you all? Consistent kita rujuk kepada nilai apa? What value do we refer? If they ask you which one is more consistent, kita kena calculate apa? Anyone? Consistency. Yes. Standard deviation, guys. CCN PY. Betul. Okay? Jangan kira variance saja tau. Kamu kena kira CCN PY. Variance tak tunjuk consistent atau tidak. Okay, variance will not show consistency. Only standard deviation. CCN PY. Okay? And then, okay, yeah. Basically standard deviation lah. Okay, guys. So if you see this data, how to find the mean? Okay, so first of all, we want to find the mean. Okay, so mean, basically kita akan guna rumus ni. Okay. Yang ni kamu boleh lihat di hadapan kertas kamu juga untuk matematik. Okay, you will be given this formula one. So no need to memorize. Okay. So, Marcus already come. Hey, welcome to the class. Okay, so sum of fx over sum of f. Okay, so x is the midpoint guys of the class. Okay, dia adalah titik tengah kelas kamu. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the midpoint for this first class? Apa titik tengah kamu untuk kelas yang pertama? Try and see. For this one, what is your midpoint? Very good. Okay, 13.2 guys. How to get 13.2? Sempadan bawah tambah sempadan atas bahagi 2. Okay, lower boundary plus upper boundary divide 2, you get your midpoint. Okay, then kamu ulang sahaja perkara yang sama untuk kelas-kelas yang lain. You just repeat every single step. Okay? Yeah. Okay, and then basically, kalau kamu tak mau tulis panjang-panjang dalam jawapan kamu, kamu boleh lukis jadual macam ni bila jawab soalan. You can draw a table so that your working step is not so long. Jalan kira tak sangat panjang. Mengapa? Okay, kalau kamu tak lukis jadual macam ni, if you do not draw, kamu kena buat pengiraan secara manual tau. Kamu kena tunjuk langkah. You must show the step. Means that 9, okay, yang ni kamu kena tunjuk. Yang ni 2 kali. Lepas tu tambah, yang ni 2. Tambah, tambah. Dia akan jadi sangat panjang. It become very long. Okay, variance lagi teruk lah. Kamu kena tunjuk yang ni semua pula. Okay, so that's why kita guna jadual. Sebab kalau kamu tunjuk jadual, kamu tak perlu tulis satu persatu. Okay, contoh min, kamu terus ambil nilai ni, bahagi nilai ni. Settle. Do you guys understand what I mean, all of you? Boleh dapat apa yang saya kata? Okay, so lukis jadual lebih systematic lah, more organized. And also, kamu takkan buat careless mistake. Okay, sebab dia sangat tersusun. Okay, cuai tu lebih kurang bila guna jadual. Okay, kadang-kadang mereka mungkin lukis jadual bagi kamu. Okay, so yang tu lebih senang. Can you please repeat? Which part? N354. This one is it? The jadual. Okay. N354, you prefer English or not? I explain in English to you. Totally. Okay. So basically, the table is help you to, what to say, be more organized and systematic. You no need to show every single step of the working. Okay, example is when you find mean, you take sum of fx divide sum of f, right? So you will show like this, 9 times 13.2 plus 10 times 13.7 and so on. But when you draw the table, you no need to show that step. Do you get me? You can directly take 564 divide 40, settle. Because you already show the calculation in the jadwal. Do you get me? So actually both way also can. Dua-dua pun boleh guys. There is no right or wrong. It's your preference only. Pilihan kamu sahaja. Yang mana kamu suka, kamu guna. EF tu apa sir? EF. Oh, yang ni ke? Yang ni guys, maksudnya adalah hasil tambah. Sum of in English. This symbol is called sum of. Okay. The real meaning is sigma lah. Okay. Yes. I know you like the word a lot, right, Marcus? Sigma. Okay, but I don't want to talk about that now lah. Okay, the symbol is called sigma. Okay, really, you know guys, symbol tu dipanggil sigma tau. Okay, sigma. Okay, sum. Okay, so sum of F. Okay, boleh Farish? Okay, so now the mean, kamu hanya perlu buat yang ni lah. Okay, so kamu ada jadual. So mean terus tengok guys. Bila ada jadual, mereka tak kira satu-satu dah. Mereka terus buat macam ni. Buku teks. Okay, you can direct calculate already. Okay, and then CCN PRY. Okay, so CCN PRY, you use this formula. Sum of fx square divide sum of f minus mean square. Square root. Okay, yang ni pun diberi. So tak payah hafal. No need to memorize the formula. Okay, selak ke depan sahaja. Alright. And also bila tekan calculator tu kat sini, over here guys, in the table, be very very careful. Hati-hati sangat sebab banyak data, a lot of numbers. Kamu silap satu pun, yang ni silap, habis. Min salah, sisian piawai salah, semua salah. Ini adalah bahaya soalan macam ni. This is the danger guys. So don't fall into the trap. Okay, not because you cannot do, it's just careless only. Okay, so jangan cuai lah, jangan buang maka macam tu. Benda yang kamu tahu, kamu jangan buang maka. Sangat kesian. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so sisian piawai guys, berapa tempat perpuluhan? Kena bagi jawapan kamu. How many decimal place for standard deviation? Can anyone tell me? Berapa tempat perpuluhan? I mean generally, not based on this question alone. Okay, usually right guys, standard deviation based on me, berdasarkan saya, I will advise you give 4. 4 titik perpuluhan. Okay, 4SF pun boleh, 4SF ataupun 4 titik perpuluhan. 2 angka berarti tak boleh, sangat kurang dah. Okay, bagi 4 SF ataupun 4 titik perpuluhan. Okay, 4 significant figure or 4 TP. Okay, yes, sorry, yeah. Okay, I think 3 also can lah. 3 sampai 4 kalau boleh. Okay guys, so yeah, clear? 1 or 2 for this question. So this is how you count mean and standard deviation. Okay, very good. Okay, so now you just need to repeat the same process for the other flower. Wait guys. Okay, so I think next page. Okay, so this one you repeat for the second flower. Okay, so for your second data, the mean is the same. Mean masih sama untuk bunga raya yang kedua, the second type of flower. But guys, you see the standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation sisian piawai kat sini 0.7. Okay, tadi sisian piawai kamu berapa? Tadi dia adalah 0.64. Okay guys, so mana yang lebih konsisten? Which one is more consistent? 0.64 or 0.7? Which one? Very good. Okay, the lower the standard deviation, the higher the consistency. Okay, semakin rendah nilai sisian piawai, semakin konsisten data kamu. Okay, boleh faham? So macam tu sajalah. So kamu terangkan macam tu. That's how you explain your answer. Okay, so your answer will be hybrid A, and then I help for those in English. Hybrid A because the mean is greater and lower standard deviation. So the diameter is more consistent. Okay, so this is how you explain for English. All right, clear guys for this whole question? Usually this question a lot of marks, maybe 8 marks macam tu. Section B they like to ask. Okay, kertas 2 section B. Okay, so make sure kamu boleh score lah semua markah ni. All right, okay, so next question. Okay, so far any question you guys have or not that you want to ask me? Ada apa-apa soalan yang tertimbul tak di fikiran kamu sepanjang masa ni? Anyone? All clear? Wow, so good. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this is another type of question. So basically they're asking which machine produce more accurate pressure of wind. Okay, yang mana bagi ketepatan tekanan angin. Okay, so what you should find here guys, kamu kena cari apa kat sini untuk tengok prestasi kipas angin. Sorry, bukan kipas angin, tekanan angin di bola. So what you should find guys? Yes, whenever we talking about prestasi, performance, we always refer to standard deviation guys. Sisian piawai. Selalunya macam tu. Soalan tak akan cakap cari sisian piawai. Dia akan cakap macam ni. Okay, they will ask you which one show better performance, mana prestasi lebih baik. So automatically kamu kena tahu soalan nak suruh kamu cari sisian piawai. Okay, you must know they're asking standard deviation already. Okay, so again, same step. Okay, kamu kena ulang langkah yang sama sahaja. Alright. Okay guys, so based on this data, Saya tunjuk jawapan terus. Okay, so mana lebih konsisten? What do you all think? Which machine lebih konsisten? Kalau cari konsisten, sir, yang tu sisian piawai lah, Ahmad. Okay? Yes. So machine Q is more consistent. Okay, mengapa machine Q? Sebab sisian piawai dia lebih rendah. Okay, lower standard deviation. Alright? Okay. So kamu boleh cakap mesin Q sebab mean tu dalam lingkungan julat dan juga sisian piawai lebih kecil. Maksudnya dia adalah lebih konsisten. Okay? Clear guys? Any problem so far with this question? The calculation you guys can do already because it's the same thing. Dia ulang sahaja. Just different set of data only. Okay? So yeah. One or two guys? Satu atau dua sampai sekarang? Okay, still satu. Very good. Okay guys. So let me show you a situation. How do you understand standard deviation better? Okay, macam mana nak faham sisian piawai ni dengan lebih bagus? Okay, very simple guys. I use one situation that is very relatable to you. Sangat berkait dengan kehidupan kamu sekarang. Okay? You all will know lah. Okay guys? So sisian piawai sebenarnya sangat berguna untuk kira markah kamu dalam peperiksaan. Okay, how to know whether you are consistent or not in your exam results? Nak tahu prestasi kamu dalam peperiksaan, kita guna sisian piawai guys. Okay, we use standard deviation. Macam mana nak kira sisian piawai? Tadi saya dah tunjukkan. Okay, the CVG. Oh, that one is, yeah, yes, correct also, correct. Okay guys, so I show you two example lah. You tell me which standard deviation is lower. Kamu bagi tahu sisian piawai mana lebih rendah. Tanpa pengiraan lah, kamu lihat set data, kamu bagi tahu saya. Okay, so let's say set A. Okay, and satu lagi set B. Okay, so saya bagi markah lah, contoh. Okay, saya bagi 5 data sahaja bagi setiap set. 5 set. Okay, you tell me. Mana yang lebih konsisten? Okay? Tunggu. Tak perlu sangat laju jawab. Okay, tell me guys. Which one is more consistent? Set data mana yang lebih konsisten kat sini? Saya nak tengok siapa boleh dapat soalan ni betul yang saya tanya. Which set of data is more consistent? Expected. Some more people, I want to see some more answer. Lagi jawapan A atau B? A atau B? Mana lebih konsisten? Okay, so congratulations. Everyone here get the wrong answer. Semua dapat jawapan yang salah. Okay, jawapan sebenarnya adalah A dan B. Saya main dengan kamu guys. The answer is A and B. Kamu semua salah. All wrong. Yes. Okay, why guys? You must understand guys. Standard deviation menunjukkan apa? Konsistensi kan? Konsistensi itu boleh baik dan buruk juga. Kamu semua faham kan? Consistency can be good and it can also be bad. So this is the good case of consistency. Konsistensi yang baik. Yang ni adalah konsistensi yang buruk. Tapi dua-dua konsisten. Both of them are consistent in different way. Dalam cara yang berlainan. Faham tak guys? This is the true meaning of standard deviation. Ini adalah makna sebenar. Okay, tak semestinya standard deviation yang rendah maksudnya bagus. Berdasarkan situasi sebenarnya. Okay, macam situasi ni dua-dua pun bagus. Okay, both of them are same. Okay, so you cannot say A is more consistent than B. Wrong. A bukan lebih konsisten dari B. Okay, dan B juga bukan lebih konsisten dari A. Okay, macam tu. Do you guys understand? Boleh dapat? So you all want to be in which set guys? Set A or set B? Kamu nak berada di mana? Dua-dua pun konsisten tahu. So pilihlah dengan bijak. Okay, choose it wisely. It is the same. Because standard deviation only show you the consistency. It does not depend on the value guys. Remember, Sisian piawai tu tak bergantung kepada nilai setiap set data. Dia tengok overall set data macam mana. Konsisten atau tidak. No lah. If they ask me, I guarantee 90% of the SPM student wrong already lah guys. Kamu lihat macam mana kamu jawab, kamu tahulah. Tengok, saya tanya A atau B, ada orang jawab A, B. Actually, semua orang salah. Everyone wrong. So they cannot ask this kind of a question in SPM. Tak boleh tanya. Kalau tanya, kamu beruntunglah sebab saya dah bocor soalan bagi kamu. Okay, I already tell you the question. So kalau masih salah, maksudnya kamu tak dengar hari ini. You never listen properly to the lesson. Okay, so just be aware of this kind of situation. Peka tentang situasi ini. Okay, mungkin mereka nak uji kamu sikit. Okay, but okay. Alright, so next question guys. We go to the next page. Okay, so this one, we refer to this one. Okay, so another same type of question. Okay, so mereka boleh tanya macam ni juga. Wow, thank you. Untuk selamba ni ataupun soalan tadi saja? Saya nak tahu. Harap bukan soalan tadi saja. Okay. Alright guys. So mereka suruh tentukan jenama bateri yang mana tahan lebih lama. Okay guys. So yang ni kena cari apa? How to know which battery lasts longer. Mereka boleh tanya macam ni juga. So what do you think? Kita kena kira mean atau standard deviation? Yes. Actually dua-dua lah guys. Kena kira dua-dua. Every single question, right? Lebih selamat kamu kira dua-dua. Takkan salah kalau kamu buat lebih. Kalau kurang sahaja kamu salah. Okay? Always remember when you write more, as long as it's correct, apa yang kamu tulis tu betul, dalam konteks soalan, kamu akan betul. Okay? Jangan risau. Okay? So, kamu guna kaedah samalah untuk cari mean. Cari titik tengah dulu, find midpoint, and then guna rumus. Okay? Untuk mean. Lepas tu variance, kamu guna rumus sama. Okay, tapi kamu kena bina jadual dulu. Okay, construct your own table. Okay, any problem guys with the table, cara bina jadual tu, semua okay kan tentang yang tu? Boleh dapat kan? Okay, very good. Okay, so now guys, you compare these two. Which one is more consistent guys? Mana yang lebih prestasi yang lebih baik? Yes, very good. Okay, so brand X because lower standard deviation. Okay, actually, right guys, you can also use mean to compare. Do you all know that? Kamu tak perlu sahaja rujuk pada sisian piawai. You can also refer to mean to tell your answer. Okay guys, so based on the mean, which one do you think is better? Mana lebih bagus? Yes, actually, the higher mean is better. Okay, mean yang lebih tinggi adalah lebih bagus. Okay, mean yang lebih tinggi menunjukkan bateri tu dapat tahan lebih lama. Okay, higher mean show it can last longer. Okay, untuk yang lebih baik, kita lihat kepada sisian piawai, standard deviation. Okay, boleh dapat guys? So actually the question got two parts. Ada dua bahagian. Lebih tahan lama, kita kira mean. Lebih baik, kita kira sisian piawai. Okay? Macam tu. So kamu boleh jawab macam ni. Okay, so bateri X sebab mean dia lebih besar, maksudnya jangka hayat dia lebih panjang dan sisian piawai lebih kecil, maksudnya dia lebih konsisten. Okay? Are you all clear guys? Everyone here for this question? Okay. Now we are going to the different type of question already. Soalan jenis yang lain. Okay, so for this type of question, they're asking you to bina the jadual. Okay, so for this question, we are going to see how to convert the graph into table. Okay, macam mana kita nak tukar ogive ni kepada jadual dengan set data. Okay, sebenarnya kat sini mereka dah bagi kelas kat kamu. Biasanya mereka akan bagi untuk lebih senang. They will give you the set of data. Okay, so that you can plot easier. Okay, so yeah, you have to build the table. Okay, so based on the graph, you must know how to find the frequency guys. From the cumulative frequency. Kamu kena tahu cara dapat kekerapan dari kekerapan longgokan. Okay, so macam mana guys nak dapat? Okay, so basically kamu kena tahu ogive ni kan guys, paksi X, kita plot guna apa? Siapa tahu? Our x-axis we actually plot based on what? Berdasarkan kuantiti apa? Anyone? X-axis. Yes. Always remember guys, ogive you must always plot based on upper boundary. Kena guna sempadan atas sahaja untuk ogive. Paksi X. Tak ada pilihan lain. Okay? So, semua nilai ni mewakili sempadan atas bagi setiap kelas. Betul kan? Okay, kamu boleh lihat. Okay, kat sini 0.45 adalah kelas yang baru. Okay, that's why kamu tak nampak kat sini. Okay, there is an extra class. Okay, siapa boleh bagi tahu saya kelas yang di mana kekerapan dia kosong? Boleh bagi saya julat tak? Can you all give me the range where the class frequency is 0? Anyone? Maksudnya kelas sebelum ni lah. Cuba jangkakan apa separan bawah dan separan atas bagi kelas tu. Senang saja. Very easy. Kamu lihat pola saja setiap kelas. So, kamu boleh jangkakan yang lebih awal dari yang ni. So, anyone? What is the answer? Yes. Very good. Correct. 0 to 0.4. Do you guys understand? Do you all see now how they get the 0.5? Sebab separan atas 0.4 adalah 0.45. Okay, the upper boundary of 0.4 you plus 0.05. So 0.45. Okay, so yeah, that is the class where the frequency is 0. Okay, ini adalah anggapan yang kita buat. We just assume that class the frequency is 0 so that our ogive can touch the x-axis. Okay, then you just continue. Okay, so on the y-axis is cumulative frequency, kekerapan longgokan. Okay, so contoh yang pertama, kamu nampak 6 kan? So, frekuensi 6. Okay, tapi mulai yang kedua, kamu kena hati-hati. Second one onwards, be careful. Okay, this value is 22. But can I put 22 here, guys? Betul ke tak? Kalau saya letak 22 kat situ. Is it correct? Yes or no? What do you all think? Very good. Okay, because 22 represent the cumulative frequency, kekerapan longgokan. Tapi jadual tu adalah kekerapan sahaja, only frequency. Okay, means that kamu kena ambil 22 tolak dengan nilai sebelumnya. Yes, minus, not plus is minus. Okay, because we are doing terbalik now. From cumulative frequency, we want to find frequency. Slowly, I will guide you. Jangan risau. Okay, you see more. No need to apologize, guys. Guys, you joined the class today is for what? You tell me honestly, guys. You join my class is for what? Apa tujuan kamu join kelas saya? Kamu komen sekarang. What is the purpose actually? The main purpose lah, tujuan utama. Yes, to get better. Guys, if you know everything in this chapter already, why you need to join my class, guys? Kalau kamu semua dah tahu yang ni kenapa nak join? Is to improve, right? Yes. So don't worry if you don't know something. Be happy to ask. Okay, kamu kena confident nak tanya kalau tak tahu. Yes, to get A+. Correct. Okay, so I'll explain to you. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay, so now, to get the second class, okay, 16, right? You see this value, 22, you must minus the frequency before it, which is 6. Okay, then you will get 16 over here. Okay, selalu ambil yang atas tolak bawah untuk dapat kekerapan, frequency. Okay, you try again. 54 minus 22, you get 32. Am I right? 70 minus 54, 16. Okay, and then 80 minus 70, 10. Do you all see it, guys? Boleh nampak tak? Yang atas, lebih atas, tolak yang lebih bawah. Because sekarang kita nak cari frekuensi sahaja. Only the kekerapan. Okay? Boleh dapat? Kalau kamu pergi dari kekerapan, kekerapan longgokan, kamu tambah. Okay? From frequency to cumulative frequency, you plus. Okay? From cumulative frequency to frequency, you minus. Wait, I also must open textbook because I not so sure. Let me see. Usually at the last page. This one is 217 guys. Boleh rujuk muka surat 217 buku teks. Okay? 80 is reference to the graph. Yes, everything is refer to the graph guys. Every single value. Okay guys? Okay, so now I ask you all. From cumulative frequency, I want to get frequency. Plus or minus. Dari kekerapan longgokan ke kekerapan. Perlukah saya tambah atau tolak? Yes, minus. Means you get the point lah. Okay, jawapan dia adalah tolak. Kalau dari kekerapan ke kekerapan longgokan, kamu buat apa guys? Tambah atau tolak? From frequency to cumulative frequency. Yes, plus. Because cumulative, longgokan, maksudnya kamu tambahkan. Logic kan? Cumulative means you keep on adding. That is the meaning of cumulative. Longgokan. Kamu longgok, tambah. So, itu sebab dari sini ke sini kamu kena tambah. Maksudnya yang terbalik, tolak lah. Sebab opposite tambah adalah tolak dalam matematik. Okay? Clear guys? Any problems? So, this is how you can bina jadwal. This is how you get the table. Okay? So, can score full mark guys? How to get the table? Boleh kan yang ni? Senang saja sebenarnya. Okay, mereka akan bagi graf kat kamu. Jangan risau. Okay, they will give you all this data. Then you have to get this one. Kamu kena dapat yang ni. Okay? One or two guys? Everyone? One means we proceed. If anyone two, please type your question. Please explain how to build the table again. Okay, never mind. I explain to you. Okay, so basically, right, first step, left part of the table, you refer the x-axis. Okay, so can you see that you have all these values here? Every single value here. All these values here represent your upper boundary. Okay, until now, okay or not? You respond to me first. All these values represent upper boundary. Impossible ke from Shazlina, saya tak dapat soalan kamu. Yes. Okay, upper boundary. Okay, second, they already tell you your class size actually in the question. So you can use directly all the information. Clear? So you just put all the information on the left hand side. They copy only. Exactly. Okay? And 354? Yes, sepadan atas. Betul. Okay, so third. To find the frequency. Bilangan pelagan is frequency. Oh, you mean for you is it? Untuk kamu pergi dari F ke C. Okay, so for frequency, you always take the upper value minus the lower value. Okay, so example 22 minus 6, you get 16. Okay, 54 minus 22, you get 32. Okay, 70 minus 54, you get 16. You just continue downwards only. Are you clear? And 354, you just use that pattern only. One or two, and 354. Yang lain boleh relax sikit. Saya bantu dia dulu. Okay or not? Do you get it? If you don't understand this method, right, you can think reverse. N354. You see carefully, 6 plus 16, you get 22. Am I right? 16 plus 32, you will have, 6 plus 16 plus 32, you will get 54. Correct? And then 6 plus 16 plus 6 plus 32 plus 16, you get 70. Correct? Then you just plus every single thing here. You get 80. So this is another way. Terbalik. But in the question, there is number 6 and all that. Number 6. Oh, this one. You mean this one, is it? Is it that's what you're asking? Oh, this one 6 here. So 6 minus 0. Because 0 is our starting value. Our object must touch the x-axis. Touch x-axis means y equal to 0. Y-axis now is cumulative frequency. Yes, it won't have. Question won't tell you one. You must assume there is an extra class. Just now I tell you, right? There is 0 to 0.4 class. Frequency 0. Do you remember this? So that's why 6 minus 0, you have 6 over here. Okay? This is also ogive. Yes, this is ogive. Okay? And 354. Then now, yes, of course. Number 6 has to be given, or else you cannot find the frequency. Clear, guys? 1 or 2 for this one? Okay, 1. Okay, so now you have your data, right? Kamu ada set data. So you can find your mean and standard deviation. Am I right? So kamu kena cari midpoint dulu lah. Okay, titik tengah. This ogive using frequency. Guys, every single ogive must use frequency 1. Nothing else. Every single ogive in the world. Okay? Y-axis for ogive is always cumulative frequency. Kekerapan longgokan. It cannot change. Tak boleh ubah. Alright? So yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, so you can see the table over here. So this is for just now question. Okay, so exactly the same. So all these, semua yang ni, tekan calculator saja. Just press calculator. You guys okay, right? Anyone make mistake over here in this type of question? Siapa buat salah bila tengah buat yang ni? Anyone? Siapa ada masalah macam ni? Salah bila kira mean atau sisian piawai dari data macam ni? Anyone? Don't have, huh? Okay, very good. Kalau ada, kamu kena bagi tahu. Jangan risau. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay. Okay. That one I cannot help you. That one you must help yourself. Okay, if you salah tekan calculator, saya tak boleh bantu. Okay, you must press carefully. Okay, and then if got time, try to recheck the question. Okay, kamu semak balik soalan. Bila dah habis seluruh kertas, kamu datang balik soalan dan semak. Yang penting kalau keluar bahagian mengapa? Senang tahu nak skor markah yang ni. Sangat senang. Dan banyak juga markah sebenarnya. For the question before, where will the give the 6? The question will tell you N354, the 6. They will draw on the graph for you and then label 6 there. Or maybe you have to see on the graph. Somehow they will tell you one. Senang nak score tapi yes, betul. Mathematics macam tu lah. A lot of chapter easy to score but easy to lose mark also. Not enough time other chapter. Oh, I see. Like what chapter? Mengyan. What are the other chapter are you referring to? Second exam saya dapat 72 sebab tak dapat full mark bahagian C. Oh, okay. Actually, right guys, kalau tak dapat full mark bahagian C, kalau kamu betul-betul score A dan B, section A dan section B, kamu boleh dapat A pun. You can still get A. You must do well in section A and B because got a lot of mark there, 40 and 45. So 85 markah dah. Okay, so kalau kamu boleh dapat contoh 70 dari situ, 70 over 85, dah bagus dah. Okay, section C mungkin kamu dapat 10, 80, 80 per 100. Okay dah. Very good, Adi. Probability a lot of chapter lag. Yes. You need to do more exercise. Buat lebih latihan. Okay, guys. We come back here. Okay, so now we see some question. Wait, let me see ya. Okay, very few question left only. Okay, 2 lagi soalan saja. Then we habis this chapter. Okay, guys. So let's see this histogram. First question. Is it symmetry, guys? This data? Adakah histogram ni symmetry? Sangat senang. Symmetrical or not? This histogram. Yes, of course no lah. You guys can see the shape also. Okay, kamu boleh sambungkan macam ni. So this is the shape. Okay, yes. This one is left skewed actually. Pencong ke kiri. Okay, so they ask you to give a reason. Beri sebab. Okay, so the reason is you can say that more of the data is on the right hand side of the histogram, which is the higher value. Okay, nilai yang lebih tinggi. Okay, sebab kamu nampak kekerapan kat sini sangat tinggi berbanding kekerapan yang sini. Actually is skewed to the left because more data over here. But the values of the data, they're talking about the value itself, kekerapan. Okay, over here, the kekerapan actually more compared to here. Okay, so yeah, it depends how we want to explain it. Got many way. Okay, so this is one type. You can say like this: the blood glucose reading are concentrate on the right hand side, which are higher. Okay, so untuk BM kamu boleh kata kebanyakan paras gula tertumpu pada kanan histogram, yaitu nilai yang lebih tinggi. Okay, boleh faham guys? So you can read the histogram and give your answer also. Okay, are you all clear? Boleh dapat? Usually, right, guys, when you see the histogram, you see the part where it's steep, right? Kamu nampak bahagian tu yang cerun sikit, iaitu yang ni, kecerunan lebih tinggi, maksudnya lebih banyak data kat situ. Higher value of data. Okay? So that's why it's being explained over here. Okay, nilai data yang lebih tinggi. Okay. So next one. They ask you to count the mean and standard deviation. Mean dan sisian PRY. Okay. So for this one, you can actually use the histogram and direct count. Okay, guys. So can you tell me, for the first class, what is the midpoint? Apa nilai titik tengah untuk kelas pertama? Anyone? Kalau kamu tahu satu, kamu akan tahu yang lain lah. You will know the rest already. So anyone? Yes, 3.45. So you just take 2.95 plus 3.95 bahagi 2. Okay guys, I want to ask you a question. Histogram, what do you use to plot on the x-axis? Kamu guna quantity apa untuk plot pada paksi x? Histogram. Yes, upper lower boundary lah. Okay, you can use lower and upper boundary to plot your histogram x-axis. Okay, actually second method, you can use midpoint also to plot your histogram. Kamu boleh guna titik tengah juga sebagai paksi x. Do you all know that? I rasa cikgu dah bagi tahu kan? Yes, got two method. You can use lower upper boundary or also midpoint. Titik tengah pun boleh. Yes, both also can. No problem. Maybe certain teacher, they fix the method to the student so that you all not so confused. Setengah cikgu akan bagi kamu guna satu method saja supaya kamu semua tak confused. Sebab mungkin kalau ada dua method, kamu semua tak tahu nak guna mana. Okay? Both also can. Frequency polygon midpoint also can. Histogram midpoint also can. Dua-dua pun boleh. No problem. Because you will get back the same answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan sama. If you plot midpoint, then you have to just see the size of the class, tengok size class, dan dapatkan sempadan bawah dan sempadan atas. Itu saja. You will get the same shape. Okay? Are you clear, Mengian? But if you are used to the method of upper boundary, lower boundary, then you follow it. Jangan tukar, guys. Kalau kamu selesa dah dengan salah satu dari kaedah ni, maintain saja sampai SPM. Just maintain your method. No need to change. Okay, because it's correct. Okay? Alright. So next one. Okay, so 1B, kalau kamu kira dengan betul, kamu akan dapat dua-dua jawapan ni. Okay, you will count and get the answer. Any problem, guys? For mean and standard deviation, should be okay, right? Repeat saja kan, ulang saja soalan ni. Okay, so again, you can draw the table if you want. Lukis jadual sebelum jawab, so that is easier for you to get the answer. Okay, and then of course tekan calculator dengan bagus. Okay, alright. Okay, so for question C, they ask you to compare the standard deviation. Okay, from 6.0 to 8.9 until N, the answer in B. Okay, dia suruh bandingkan. Okay guys, so which one do you think is higher? Mana sisian PRY lebih tinggi? 6.0 to 8.9 or keseluruhan data? Mana akan lebih tinggi? Anyone? Siapa tahu? Soalan C ni susah sikit. Question C a bit hard. So you must think and see. Try to understand the question. Which standard deviation is higher? The 6.0 to 8.9 or the whole data? You can refer to the graph. So anyone? Answer? Cuba saja. Jangan risau. Just try. No idea. Okay, guys. You see the graph. Okay, so 6.0 to 8.9 adalah yang ni. Betul? Which standard deviation is higher? This one or the whole thing? So this is the question. Which one will give a higher standard deviation? Mana akan bagi nilai sisian piawai yang lebih tinggi? The first one or the second one? What do you all think? Berdasarkan logik lah. You think logic and see. Nilai mana akan lebih tinggi sisian piawai? Okay, sama? Okay, ada dua jawapan. Okay, yes. The second one will be higher, guys. Okay, nilai yang kedua akan lebih tinggi. Okay, because it's a wider spread. Okay, dia adalah serakan yang lebih besar. Okay, when you have a wider spread, the standard deviation is going to be higher. Sisian piawai akan lebih tinggi. Okay, because wider spread means inconsistent, right guys? Am I right? Kalau serakan dia sangat besar, maksudnya konsistensi dia akan berkurang. Betul? Konsistensi kurang, sisian piawai tinggi. Betul tak? Faham tak guys? Okay, when you have a smaller spread, bila serakan lebih kecil, konsistensi meningkat, higher consistency, standard deviation lower. Sisian piawai lebih rendah. Okay? One or two guys? Can you all understand? Satu atau dua? Esok, kalau kamu ambil admaths adalah, okay? If you take admaths is tomorrow. Maths never plan yet. Maybe next week. Minggu depan kot. Okay? Same time as this one. Tomorrow at maths, we are doing normal distribution. Tabuhan normal. All the things you need to know on the graph. Chapter 6, bahagian lukis saya masih blur. Trigo ke? Okay. Sama-sama. Nur Fatin, kamu cakap, oh Trigo. Cuba lihat YouTube saya. Saya dah bincangkan bab tu. Kamu cuba lihat balik. Faham tak? Kalau kamu dah lihat. Masih blur. Okay, kamu tanya soalan. Kalau kamu tanya soalan saja, saya boleh bantu. Okay? Alright guys. So question C. My name. Search my name, you will see Eddie. Bhuvanraj Ganesh. Okay? Alright. Question C. They say standard deviation of the blood glucose reading between 6.0 and 8.9 are lower because dispersion of data is smaller. Boleh dapat guys? Macam point lah yang tadi saya terangkan. Question C. Okay. So we come to the last page guys. The last part of chapter 7. The last question. Bahagian terakhir. Okay guys. So for this question. Guys, for your information next week, we will do revision class on this chapter. Kita buat kelas ulang kaji. Usually my style is like this lah. When we finish one chapter, habis satu bab, kita akan buat satu kelas special saja untuk bincang semua soalan berkaitan bab ni. Okay, we do a class to discuss only question regarding this chapter. Means from the start until the end of the chapter. Saya akan kumpul soalan lah untuk bincang. Okay? Yes, God. You can join one. Okay? If anyone want to join, you just PM my number. I'll add you to my group. Okay? Oh, first time. No wonder. I think the rest who usually join will know. Okay. You can ask your friend here. The others who always join my class. Anyone who always join my class here, can you respond? Siapa yang selalu join kelas saya? You're not really a frequent one. Just only. Hopefully it helped lah. Hopefully. Okay guys, focus back here. Last question already. Then we're going to end. Then can chit chat. Okay. So for this question, can you all tell me what is the range, okay, of the two rise in both Pasaraya. Okay, so Pasaraya P, can you all tell me what is the range? Apa julat bagi Pasaraya P? Anyone? Very easy. What is the range value? Huh? Are you sure, guys? Range, julat. Maximum minus minimum. Am I right, guys? Yes. 14, guys. How you get 8? You take 34 minus 26, is it? That one wrong, 34 minus 26 is nothing. You cannot count like that. Tak boleh kira macam tu. Okay, so the answer is 14. Okay, and then the mean, both of them are the same. Okay, kedua-dua ada mean sama. Okay, so you just say that the mean and range are the same for both. Okay, mean dan julat dua-dua pasaraya sama saja. Okay, so for question B, guys, can anyone tell me which distribution is more symmetry? Tabuhan pasaraya mana yang lebih simetri berdasarkan data? P atau Q? What do you all think?
Q.
Okay, lagi orang? The rest, what do you all think? P atau Q? Which one is more symmetry? Yes. Okay, actually the answer is P, guys. P is more symmetry. Do you all know why? Okay, because you see the difference here, guys. The difference is 2 and 2. Am I right? Can you see here there is same value, guys. Kat sini ada nilai sama untuk Q2 dan Q3. So maksudnya dia takkan simetri dah. Okay? Sebab bila kamu lukis plot kotak, when you draw the box plot, you will not get symmetry for pasaraya Q. Okay, because you have the same value over here. Nilai sama. So dia akan bertindih. Q2 dan Q3 akan bertindih pada titik sama. So maksudnya dia takkan symmetry. Okay, guys? Do you all understand? They will overlap because same value for Q2 and Q3 in your box plot. Yes, betul, correct. Okay, can you see, guys? Over here, the difference is 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. So, dia akan simetri. Okay, untuk yang minimum dan kuartil pertama, dengan yang ni, dia takkan efek sangat. Sebab, biasanya kita fokus pada saiz kotak, kan? We focus on the size of the box. So, saiz kotak tu ditentukan oleh apa? Ketiga-tiga yang ni kan, kat tengah. Q1, Q2, Q3. These three only will influence the size of your box. So if the distance between Q1, Q2, Q3 is the same, means the size of the box is symmetry lah. Do you all get it? Okay, so kamu kena tengok jarak antara setiap nilai. Okay, can you all understand, guys? So B is like this lah. Okay, so B you just say more symmetrical because value of mean and median are the same. Okay, and median lies in the middle of the interquartile range. Okay, so untuk BM kamu cakap median di tengah-tengah julat antara kuartil. Okay, itu adalah sebab dia. Alright. Okay, so for question C, guys, they ask you to comment on the median and range and interquartile range for both of the data. So anyone? Okay, so first one I want to hear interquartile range. Which one is bigger, P or Q? Julat antara kuartil P atau Q, mana yang lebih besar? Yes. Okay, P is a bigger interquartile range. Okay, 34 minus 30 is 4. 34 minus 32 is 2. So maksudnya P lebih besar lah. Okay, so yang tu kamu boleh cakap. Okay, lepas tu, which one is less distributed, guys? Yang mana serakan dia lebih kecil? Interquartile tu adalah julat antara kuartil. Okay? Yes. Okay, Q is less distributed, guys. Okay, Q2 serakan dia lebih kecil. Kenapa? Okay, kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Okay, you refer over here, guys. Nilai median sama dengan kuartil ketiga. The median and the Q3 value are exactly the same. So means that they are less distributed. Okay, serakan dia lebih kecil. Menyebabkan julat antara kuartil dia juga lebih kecil. When you have smaller dispersion, right, guys, your interquartile range generally will be smaller. This is your concept. Okay, because interquartile range and range, both of them show how dispersed is your data. Berapa besar taburan data kamu. Boleh faham guys? Do you all get it? So always refer to your range and IQR when you want to compare the dispersion taburan data. Okay? All right. So I think with this, we are sorry, I didn't explain yet. Okay, so for the question C, you can write like this. Okay. So supermarket P is higher than supermarket Q, and then the interquartile range for supermarket Q is more concentrated, where the median and third quartile are the same. Will you do a class for chapter 5, form 5? Chapter 5, form 5, I already done. You can refer to my YouTube channel, Sudesh. Alright? Boleh lihat YouTube saya. Okay? You guys know my YouTube channel name, right? It's just my name only. Okay? So anything else, guys? I think we officially completed lah chapter 7 with this. Kita dah habis bab 7. Okay? Are you all good? Yes. Hopefully you all understand better lah today chapter. Boleh faham dengan lebih bagus. Alright? Yes, you're welcome. Any question you guys have, you can stay back actually. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya, you can stay back and ask me. If no question to ask, then you can leave early. Okay? Yes, thank you very much. Sama-sama.